Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find someone's Steam ID even if they've already left your game. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com, or alternatively, you can open your Steam app directly and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main page, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Friends. This will take you to your friends list and social features within Steam. Now, once you're in the Friends section, look at the left sidebar. You'll notice several options listed there for managing your social connections. Click on Recently Played With. This is a particularly useful feature because Steam automatically tracks players you've interacted with in multiplayer games, even if you never added them as friends. It creates a history of recent gaming sessions, making it easy to reconnect with people, or in this case, find their Steam ID. After clicking on Recently Played With, you'll see a list of results populate on your screen. This list shows all the players you've recently encountered in your games, organized chronologically. Take your time to browse through these results carefully. Look for the specific username or profile picture of the person whose Steam ID you're trying to find. If you've played multiple games or sessions recently, there might be quite a few names to go through, so scroll slowly to make sure you don't miss the person you're looking for. Once you've located the correct name, click on it. This action will open their Steam profile page in a new window or tab. On this profile page, you'll have access to various information about the player, including their gaming history, achievements, and most importantly for our purposes, their Steam ID. Now direct your attention back to the upper left corner of their profile page. Right there, you'll see the Steam ID displayed in the URL bar at the top of your browser or within the profile section itself. This unique identifier is what you're looking for, and it's now clearly visible. If you need to use this Steam ID elsewhere, perhaps to report a player, add them through a different platform, or keep a record for future reference, you can simply highlight the ID and copy it to your clipboard. And that's it! You've successfully found someone's Steam ID even though they've already left your game. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.